Have you heard about carrot oil? Carrot oil is rich in vitamins, fatty acids, antioxidants, and other beneficial substances for the body. And because of that, this oil can be used as an anti-aging, antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, healing, moisturizer and lubricant, and even as a hair revitalizer to help grow and moisturize your hair. Thanks to all these benefits, carrot oil is found in creams, lotions, shower oils, emulsions, tanners, sunscreens, baby products, natural cosmetics, and many other things. But even though carrot oil has many benefits, in today's video you will learn how to use it to make your hair stronger while accelerating its growth. Are you enjoying this video? Then what about giving it a thumbs up and sharing it with your friends? Do it now to share natural alternatives with those who need them. Applying carrot oil in your hair makes it grow stronger, faster, and more naturally. It also prevents split ends, moisturizes the hair, making it shiny and soft, treats damaged hair, and prevents hair loss. Learn now how to use the oil. Split ends. Put 3 drops of carrot oil in your hands and spread it over your hair to prevent split ends. Do this procedure on alternate days, preferably at night. Moisturizer. Add 1 tablespoon of carrot oil in your homemade hair mask to potentialize its effects. Scalp moisturizer. Put 2 tablespoons of carrot oil in a pan and warm it. Apply it gently over your scalp, massaging with your fingers. You can do it at night, leaving it to act while you sleep. Put a towel over your pillow to avoid staining it. In the morning, wash your hair as usual. Do this treatment once a week. Humectation. It is almost the same procedure as the scalp moisturizer. Put 2 tablespoons of the oil in a pan and warm it. Apply over your scalp, massaging it gently. Let it act for 30 minutes and then wash it as usual. This procedure will stimulate hair growth. You can make your carrot oil. Write down the ingredients. 2 carrots, 17 ounces extra virgin olive oil. Directions. Thoroughly wash your carrots, grate them, and put them in a pan. Add olive oil and let it simmer over low heat for 10 to 15 minutes, always mixing. After that, let the mixture rest for 24 to 48 hours. After this time, strain the mixture and store it in a closed glass container, preferably dark glass, to maintain the efficiency of vitamin A, and store it in the fridge. Now tell us, did you already know how to use carrot oil for your hair? We hope you enjoyed it and that you can enjoy the benefits of carrot for your beauty. Try it at home and share your experience with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.